Hey everyone! So first of all, I want to say thank you so much for over 100 subscribers. That's honestly and truly more than I ever expected to get on this channel, and it really means a lot, so thank you. Today we are going to be making some hourglass shakers and open bezels using UV nail art gels. They can be cured with a UV lamp, just like UV resin. They cure in roughly 2 to 6 minutes depending on the thickness, and they come in a ton of colors, whether plain or glitter. So if you can find some that are cheap enough, it can be well worth it, especially for open bezels. I'll link to the 2 packs I have in this video in the description box below. So is shaker oil. In my last video, I showed you that mineral oil that you can get from the pharmacy is the same thing as shaker oil. But some people prefer their shaker oil to be a thinner consistency. To get that, you can mix mineral oil with vegetable glycerin. Just slowly add and stir in your vegetable glycerin until you get the consistency you like. You can also add color to your shaker oil. Just mix in mica powder, eyeshadow, or some similar pure or oil-based pigment, and you can make it whatever color you like. So that's that. I sincerely hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next, and as always, like, share, and subscribe.